Hey, what's up guys? Foxlone here. Today, we're going to be doing trailer renovations. I'm here with...
Bodie from Bodie's Live. I'm going to be the cameraman on this video.
Yes. So today, tonight, we're going to be doing some renovations of my trailer. So, as you can see, this is an old bathroom. And we're going to be slowly turning it into an office, gaming area type thing. This is where we edited our past two videos. Is right here, my trusty Windows 7. And on Brody's computer, which is a Windows 10, either way. So, we're going to be tearing out that shower bathtub type thing in this video. The reason why is we have a table here set up and everything. I already took the sink out. There used to be a sink right here where this is covering up. But what we've been doing is just putting a board on top of that and just sitting on it. Yeah. So, and it was really uncomfortable. So we want to actually put a chair in there and maybe try to fit 2 people in here at a time. So we can like game or whatever. Or edit videos. So we're just going to be trying to see if we can take this out. Another thing is, it needs taken out anyways. It's old and it cracked apart. This light, shine this light over here. There we go. It cracked apart.
Yeah.
So it just needs torn out anyway, so we're not doing any harm. And this room will finally get used for something. So, first we're going to be trying to tear out this little, or not tear out, but unscrew the trim, because we want to save as much trim as possible. And we already unscrewed this panel. This is kind of what it looks like. There's a vent under there. It's pretty dirty under there. So we'll be back once we get this trim off and see if we can try to lift it out. Very, very old. And just be ooh. Are cracking. Yeah, I tried to sit here. Did not end well.
Yeah. So this thing's toast. It can't be used as a bathtub anymore.
And I wouldn't even call this a bathtub, honestly. It's way too small.
Yeah.
But whatever it was, shower type thing. The shower head used to go there, but one of my friends broke it. Not Brody.
So yeah, we're gonna go all the way around on this trim, all the way on this side, and we're gonna see what's underneath.
Also, so solution: if you have square bolts or whatever these are, square heads, just get a flat, and you don't have the tool or bit, just get a flathead screwdriver that fits well. Make sure you won't strip it out, and it'll work.
We stripped a bit, so we had to go get it more. Oh, that's sad. I didn't even know that was there.
Oh, you did?
Going out to the shed called the Janky. Oh!
Wait, the truck snowed in.
Ooh! How are we gonna get in?
This is why you don't live in a part of
Oh, it's down to my knees!
There's snow on my feet. Also, this is why you don't live in a part of the world with snow.
This is why we can't walk on stuff in the winter time.
How much dents there are on top of this.
Ooh.
And another thing, backstory in this car, this was a farm vehicle. This was a farm vehicle before I had it.
You look scary.
This was a farm vehicle before I had it. And the farmer used to put like 1-ton hay bales in here, or as big as hay bales you could get. Maybe they weren't 1 ton, but they were super heavy.
Yeah.
And overloaded the suspension.
Oh yeah.
And that's why one of the CV axles is blown.
Yeah.
But we don't talk about that, because it still drives.
Wait, let me see that key.
Slightly bent. This poor van's been through a lot. And it has halfway to 300,000 miles, still runs strong. Starts up every time.
Mostly.
Trunk's a bit frozen in. Good idea.
Okay.
Now, truck.
Do the hydraulics still work?
Yep.
Way better than my car.
And I don't think there's a battery in here, judging by the lights aren't turning on.
Yeah.
Oh wait, but the light sensor was broken.
It was broke.
I don't think
this is literally our shed. No.
Yeah. until I get the cargo van back, hopefully.
Yeah. Isn't this a whole wiring harness for a Geo Metro?
Yeah, there's a Geo Metro dashboard back there.
Yeah.
So, we're looking for bits. It's very disorganized in here.
Yeah.
Right now. Those are sockets.
Well,
Oh, we didn't find a bit that we were looking for.
yeah, we came out here for literally nothing besides freeze my fingers off.
Our fingers. Or
Our
my
fingers.
finger. And your finger.
Yep.
Is the hand.
Oh!
Alright. Well, we have the right bit. Lesson learned.
Yeah, we stripped the last one, so.
And if you are using a flat bit, make sure you're using the right, what would it be, grade, because these aren't made for an electric drill. What this one is.
Yep. We got one left. That's it.
Much better. And I think that's all on this panel. So let's see if it...
Potty knife. I would go from the top, yeah. Oh! Oh wait, no, you took it out. Ooh, ew!
Well, you can see all the old caulking.
Yeah, it's
Done.
done. Yeah, it's disintegrating.
This one's a little bit difficult to get. So, I got this trim out, and what we discovered is the bathtub kind of goes up right behind this wall. So we're thinking if we take these two pieces of trim out and some trim over here, these should pop off, hopefully, so we could get this tub out. There was this weird structure right here supporting this. Didn't really support much, and the builders of this trailer
Literally built it out of scrap wood. On cardboard and yeah.
So, good job to whoever made this trailer.
Yeah. They did a great job.
Definitely. So, that's part of the reason why this is so uneven and collapsing is because they didn't build it correctly. They literally just threw whatever they had under there.
Yeah.
And now the build quality is showing. Alright, well, we'll get back to you once we figure out more.
So we took down this metal bar here. Okay. And we started on doing this, and the drill died, so we have to get another battery for it. But we got this piece here we still have to get off. And then we gotta figure out how to actually get, oh that's hot, how to actually get this tab out of here. And right here, let me have the camera in here. Right here is actually a separate piece. But it also goes up underneath the wall here, so you gotta figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a much safer idea.
It's a manpower! Oh! 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 Yeah! What are you doing in here? Oh my god! Oh. Dude, you're moving the entire counter. You were moving everything. Jump, jump, jump. That's one way to get it undone.
As you can see,
We'll have like halfway
slightly
done.
used bathtub I'm gonna sell on Craigslist. Probably get $100 out of this puppy, vintage.
Oh yeah.
But for real talk, we're getting it out slowly.
Yep.
It's just been really hard since. Okay, so we didn't want to be this destructive, but
Yeah.
this one come off, and it's tucked behind there. And the only way we could get this off is demolishing this whole thing, which we don't want to do. So we might as well just go with the easier solution, which is destroying what's already broken.
Yeah, there was no saving this bathtub. It was done.
It was done, and even if you like epoxied it, it'd crack again.
Yeah.
Nowhere. And plus, we're gonna clean this up. It'll be
Yeah.
Put the trim on.
Now something I noticed is there's the wood paneling on the inside down here, so it'll look a little bit nice. You just don't look back there.
Yeah, we might. I have some parts from our old trailer that I had to tear down, kind of like this one, but it was like super done. And I got a few savable pieces, so maybe I can cut those up, put them right there, and make it look nice.
Yep.
All right. See you when we get this basically out.
Yep.
So this was what's holding us up. First, you got this really thin piece of plastic, ancient styrofoam,
And literally
scrap pieces of wood, and that's why it was bowing down so much, because it was just basically rattling it around down there. Very bad design.
We haven't even unscrewed it or anything. That was just in there like that.
Yeah, so basically the only thing that was holding it up is it being basically meshed into the wall almost.
Yeah.
And on that piece of wood, but since the weight distribution was so uneven, that's probably what made it crack also. It's just because it wasn't set in here right. Especially when you have something thin plastic like this, if you don't have this, you know, the weight distributed evenly, it will break.
Yeah.
So.
And one good thing is, looking at this wall, there's no mold or anything, so it hasn't leaked. So that part of it was good, but...
Yeah, so that's good.
Yep.
Alright, so it was super difficult to get out, but we finally got it most of the way out, except for that little chunk right there.
That, we can just peel that right off, probably.
There's a lot of dust and stuff down there, so we had to clean it up.
Yep, that's why we got salt fuck out here, which honestly stinks like crap, but...
Yeah, so
it's okay.
we're gonna have to deal with that. We're gonna tear up this paper, which is because under that paper is just this normal floor.
Yep.
There's the ventilation system and the pipe. Yep. I just tore out a piece of the actual shower, and the drain came with it. So there would be basically a drain sticking out right here, and it came out from here. It came out right here.
Yeah. So we noticed this beam that went across here, we couldn't get it out. It actually had a bolt right where that hole is right there.
Yeah.
And that was holding that piece in.
So a super strong bolt, at least.
Yeah.
But, yeah, we'll get back to you once this is clean.
And fixed up.
We'll be back. We are back. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner. Tore out all that paper stuff. As you can see, there's some weird loose wiring. We don't know what it's to. We also got the pipes, as you can see, which are a minor inconvenience, but it'll be fine. Space enough for a chair. Then we got the ventilation pipes, which are okay. So our plans now we have it clean, we're gonna kind of just chip away at the rest of this plastic stuff of the tub. After that, we'll probably put up trim and also do caulking in these holes. Now you might think, well, what about that? Well, what we're gonna do is, since there's not really anything to put right here, we thought we're gonna put a table type thing, kind of like how the shower was already set up, where we're like this, but we're gonna do it with wood and make it like a table, almost like a mini shelf, one of these, but doesn't have anything opening. It's just gonna be kind of solid.
So I actually came up with this idea. So we got this piece of wood from this front piece here. Okay, so we got this piece of wood that went originally here, and it has the hole cut out for the ventilation. And we also got the support beam that went here. We are gonna just move this stuff over here and then build the top.
Let me get better angle. You can show.
Yep. Okay, so this would probably go right here to hide this wiring and whatnot. And also this will go here. Kind of get the idea, and then we'll put a some kind of countertop or whatnot on top.
Perfect, yeah. So we're gonna try to cut out, this is just kind of a mock-up, but we're gonna try to cut out and get it as good looking as we can. Maybe make some our own trim pieces and everything. And it should be good.
Yep. And then this ventilation can actually bend down in here, so we're not losing any fans.
Exactly.
So
a very good idea.
yeah.
So we'll be back with you once we start kind of putting on the trim, caulking that up so we can seal that.
Yep. Cause we need to put up the trim on these corners and then around here. Maybe I'll hide up some of this broken tab.
Yes. And what's super cool is right here there's kind of a hole. That just goes directly down in there. I mean, it's not too bad. Just gotta use a lot. So after many hours of hard work, it's finally paid off. We got all the trim back on, this back on, upper trim, this and that. Let's see here. So we got the floor swept and vacuumed. We had to vacuum it multiple times. Got this cleaned off. And then we're gonna just like wipe down everything real quick. Sanitization. Just because we had to caulk some of this. As you can see, caulked there that I accidentally stepped in. And caulked there and caulked there. And so
and something cool we actually found out is this fan actually works, and it's like destroyed. It works, and it actually
actually we were actually using it for ventilation.
Yeah.
So this will actually open up.
Yeah. And this was full of just garbage and like what? Grasshoppers and stuff.
Yeah.
And he decided to take it down, and it got everywhere on here. It's all cleaned up now, so we have to clean it all up now. And, like,
so yeah, we'll be back when we have the computer set up and try to show you how we have it set up and the chair. So we'll be back.
If you guys want to see the behind the scenes on this video, it will be posted on Bodie's Live. So far, all the behind the scenes are going to be starting to pop up on my channel. So, you guys want to watch those? Come check it out.
After many hours of dedication, we have finally come to more of a completion point. As you can see, we have the chair, the computer, the table set up. And we have some things stored behind there because, as we mentioned earlier, we would like to build a shelf back here to cover up that piping and all that, ventilation. And with that, we are going to bolt in this table. When we're doing that, which will be in our next video, or not next video, but some video in the future, and we're also going to bolt this up and mount this on the wall. So it'll be really sturdy. So, yeah, we're pretty tired. This was a long project.
Yeah, we've been working on this for what, like 5 hours now?
So we started working at, how long? 7:30? 7:30, we'll say. And it's 1 a.m.
Yeah, so
we are going to go to bed. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Till next time, see ya.